Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and now tap on the settings icon. Here let's go to languages and types and tap on manage input languages. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So here we've got the part of available languages, but they are not downloaded. So you can obviously choose something from those. I will pick this one and tap on this download icon. Your device will simply download the language. It's easy, nothing really complicated. And here you've got the section with downloaded languages. So if you've got the language downloaded, it will appear right here. Alright, so let's wait until this will be finished. Alright, the device downloaded the language. Moreover, it will immediately and automatically apply it. Apply it in this section, downloaded languages. It is also turned on. So right now I'd like to share with you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added, and after that we will simply remove the language from the list. After getting back to this section, you can see that we've got another option, language switching method. So let's tap on it. And here we've got 3 options, language key, spacebar, swipe, and both. I'll pick both options, so I will be able to simply show you how to use both of them. So let me go back to the keyboard. And here we've got our language key. So basically we can change the keyboard layout quickly just by tapping on this icon, or we can perform a spacebar swipe just like that and change the layout. So if you wish to remove the language, let's enter the settings again, which disappeared for some reason. I don't know why. Probably because we've got another icon added here, but we should be able to replace it. So let me come back. Let me apply the settings here to this upper panel, so I'll have much faster access to it. So let's open the settings. Then tap on the languages and types, and here tap on manage input languages. Now simply remove the language that you want to. So I will remove this one. So just tap on the switcher and that's all. As you can see here, we've got only English, which means that we've got only English layout on the keyboard. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.